in a first year. Okay, and here in a mechanical engineering, currently you will study all the basic subjects, fundamental subjects. So currently you don't have any kind of worry about the mechanical engineering subject. No tension. Just you focus on your basic fundamental subjects now. Okay, when you will come to our department in second year, step by step, you will learn some fundamental subjects. So when you will study thermodynamics, some words you know well because you have done in a 12th study for the CAT or the JEE. So definitely you are familiar with these words, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a science of thermal heat transfer, the science which is regarding with transfer of heat from one location to another location, heat transfer. Some science which are associated with fluid. Fluid means a substance which is flowing. That is called as fluid. So fluid mechanics. So there may be different subjects. Let it be. So currently the lab where you are now, the name of the lab is refrigeration air conditioning lab. Okay. It is also another name, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. Both the names are same. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, air conditioning. Now this lab is concerned with the subject that is actually in your final year, in a current syllabus. In a current year, HVAC is the name of that subject. That is in semester 1 of the BE Mechanical. So there you will study when you will come, either in your third year or in your BE. At your time, syllabus structure may be different and location of that subject may be different, maybe in third year or maybe in the final year. Let it be. Okay. So here now we will see what is actually this subject or this lab. So I will tell you some questions. That questions are what normally every day or every person is using milk. Okay, all the milk products, family pack ice cream we bring. Okay, for the celebration, and also vegetables, fruits are. Some cold drinks are. All these products normally we use to store this product one mechanical device. That is a name that you have to give. Tell me the name. That is called as refrigerator. Now, as the refrigerator is used for the home purpose, that is why name of that product would be domestic refrigerator. Now this is a mechanical. Why the name mechanical? Domestic, because we use for the home purpose. Okay, so this is a domestic refrigerator. You well know about it. Now here in this system, the source of temperature is a freezer. Okay, now this refrigerator we use, why? Why we use refrigerator? Because the life of that product, all the products are not having more than 2-3 days life. Milk 1.5 day or 2 days max. Beyond that it gets spoiled. So why it spoiled? Because bacteria growth occurs. So to maintain the life we have to reduce the growth of bacteria. So growth of bacteria is reduced when the temperature is low. So that is why creation of low temperature is not possible automatically, because there are some laws in the physics. Without input, no output. Okay, there should be some work input to the system, then you will find. Another thing is that now you can see, now you are feeling some kind of discomfort because the count is about 30 in this room, and that is why some people may be starting sweating, and the climate is now more moisture. So this moisture is also creating discomfort. So we have to control this moisture also along with temperature. So that is done in the process or device that we call as a air conditioner. So normally AC we see on the wall mounted unit, split AC. So split AC provide cold air. What is the temperature of that air normally? Tell me. 15 degree, 16 degree. Okay. Some of you may be having four-wheeler. In a four-wheeler, normally in a summer, you use what? Air conditioner. What is the purpose of that air conditioner? To keep the environment inside the car cool or comfort. So that is why that is called a automobile air conditioning. So in automobile air conditioning, what is in our split AC or a domestic AC, same cycle, same system is working in the automobile. Same, some of you are traveling from the Swargate, from the different corners of the Pune, you are coming to the college and you are coming by the suppose air conditioner bus. That bus is also will have same kind of system. So you know that now you might have understood what is the advantage or what is the use of subject. Domestic refrigerator for the food keeping purpose, split air conditioner for the comfort, air conditioner in automobile, air conditioner in vehicle. Some examples we have done. Now, these are the small examples. Big example, if we go to the mall, if we go to the cinema theater, if we go to the auditorium, the number is huge. How much? 500, 1000 sitting capacity. For the 1000 people capacity, limited number of air conditioners. Is it okay? Will it fulfill the requirement? Limited number of air conditioners? No. Okay, we will increase the number, but it will not be economical. And operation of each will be different. Every unit will work in different way. Control of all is not possible by single person. So that is why to have a control at a single person or a single system, there is another big version of the system is used. That is called as central AC. Central AC. So central AC in a detail, don't worry, not necessary now. Central AC means what? Whatever we do in a small AC, same, but on a large scale. So their air is cooled by using water, cold water, and that air is circulated by using duct. Duct means what? Duct means passages. You look here, these are the passages, these are the passages. Such kind of passages you will observe. If you go from the Gaditar to Swargate, you will find some walls, and outside the walls you will see some are structures, metallic structures. GI sheet metal work. For what purpose it is? It is for ducting. So it carries cold air. If you go Amanara Mall, if you go ground floor at the parking, you will find their pipelines. These pipelines are of a chilled water. Chilled water means what you drink at the cooler of a 4 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. That chilled water is passing through the line that is going to the theater, and in contact of that coil, air is passed, and that air is a cold air. That air is sprayed in the mall, in the theater. Have you understood the concept of central AC? In detail you see at that time. Okay, so this is about the central AC. So here in this lab, you will find actual product, domestic refrigerator. Same you have to understand. For that educational setup is required. So this is the educational setup. So here we do study. We can learn the various parameter temperature at various parts. Now we have not gone in a detail what are the components, what are the processes. No, currently not necessary. Just only outline. So this is a setup. Air conditioner, this is a setup, small air conditioner. Central air conditioner, this is actual air conditioner setup, central AC. So these setups you will learn. Now another example I will give you, that early morning up to 10 o'clock we see some people are carrying on a bicycle or a two-wheeler ice block. And these ice blocks are received by the canteen person, or here a juice producing person. That juice producing person is using that ice. So from where this ice may be coming? From some commercial plant, because it is not possible to produce that much required ice by using domestic refrigerator. That is why the name is domestic. Domestic is a small capacity, and big capacity means what? Ice plant. So in a ice plant, just I will show you that there is one tank. That tank is stored by liquid. It is called as brine. Its solution is very cold. Its solution is temperature is minus 16 degrees Celsius. In that 16 degrees Celsius, Such kind of ice cans are used. This is a small version. There is a big version. So in the ice can, water is put. This is a put in the brine solution. Automatically plant is started. About 1 day is required to produce the ice because it takes some time. Okay. So in this is ice is produced. So this is the application of ice plant, and this is the actual setup where you will learn, experiment, do the some calculation, primary calculation, fundamental calculation. Now one is the remaining. That is what? This is a small version. That is a domestic refrigerator. Okay. There we store up to maximum capacity of the refrigerator 150 liter, 200 liter, max 350 liter, double door. Beyond that, no. Okay. Now the commercial. All these products are coming in a chain. Chain means what? Producer of different products are not all in Pune. Some of maybe in Mumbai, some of maybe outside of the country also, some of maybe on our globe. So from the different corners of the globe, country, these products are coming to the Pune. For example, in the Pune, these products should be stored for a particular period, and then these are distributed to the different wholesaler, then it comes to the retailer, and then it comes to consumer. Now this journey is called as cold chain. So I mentioned one concept that where that all the products are stored outside the Pune, around the Pune. If you travel along the Saswad road, you will travel along the Katraj road, you will travel along the Wagoli road, you will find some buildings where in a big version such kind of facility, low temperature storage facility is developed, and that building is called as, I want name that from your side. Yes, very correct. So that is what? Cold storage. The cold storage is a big example of this domestic refrigerator. Only difference is what? Here is a small capacity, there is a big capacity. Again, there may be in a detailed difference, but currently just an overview outline. So now in this session, we have just came across different products. First is what? Refrigerator. Second is ice plant. Third is air conditioner. Fourth one is central air conditioner. And fifth one is a cold storage. Yes. So all these are applications of the subject. That subject you are going to study in your final year. So is it interesting? Yes. So if anybody has a question, you can ask me. If any question. In detail, we will see in the final year. Okay? Let it be? Okay? Okay. So we'll stop here. Thank you very much.